Good morning everyone. I am Priyal Gupta from class 8th A from UDCA Mohamdi. Today I am your maths teacher and we will be studying probability. By the end of this class, you will be able to understand what is probability and how can you solve simple questions based on it. So I would like to start my class with some questions. Okay? Can you tell me that what is the chance of a dog flying?
Ma'am, a dog cannot fly.
You're right, it cannot. The probability of a dog flying is 0. Okay, another question. What is the chance of the sun rising from the
Ma'am,
east?
the sun always rises from the east.
Yes, it always rises from the east. The probability is 1. Can you now guess what is probability?
Probability is the chance of an event occurring.
You almost got it, but let me add some more points to your answer. Probability is a way to represent chance as a number between 0 and 1. A probability of 0 means that there is a 0% chance of the event occurring. It is an impossible event. On the other hand, a probability of 1 means that there is a 100% chance of the event occurring. It is a certain event. Examples of events with probability 0 is a dog flying, and examples of event with a probability of 1 is the sun rising from the east. Now you might ask that how is probability actually defined in mathematical terms? So, in mathematical terms, probability is defined as the number of favorable outcomes over the total number of possible outcomes.
Ma'am, I don't understand.
Oh, no problem. We will be understanding this through 2 examples. So let us see our first example. Our first example is a toss of a fair coin. Here I have a fair coin with me. Tossing it would either give a head or a tail. So can you tell me what is the possibility of getting a head when I toss it?
I don't know.
No problem, but can you tell me that in how many ways can we get a head?
1.
In one way, that's correct. And how many total possibilities or outcomes can be there of this event?
2.
2, that's correct as well. So as we know that probability is defined as the number of favorable outcomes over the total number of possible outcomes, the probability of this particular event would be 1 by 2. Okay? Let us see another example now. This example is the roll of a fair die. So here I have a fair die with me. It has numbers from 1 to 6 marked all over it. If I roll it, it would land on one of the numbers from 1 to 6. So can you tell me that what is the possibility of getting an even number when I roll
The
it?
probability would be 3 by 6 since there are 3 favorable outcomes and 6 total outcomes.
You are right. The probability would be 3 by 6, which can be even simplified and be written as 1 by 2. Seems like you are understanding this concept well. Let us see if you can answer this question. So here I have a deck of cards with me. If I pick out any random card from this deck, what is the probability that I would pick a queen? Think logically. Wait, let me give you a hint. There are 4 queens in a deck of 52 cards.
The probability would be 4 by 52 or 1 by 13.
You are right. The probability would be 4 by 52 or 1 by 13. Do you have any doubts in this topic?
No ma'am, everything is clear.
Very good. So here we are at the end of today's lesson. Did you enjoy it?
Yes ma'am, I did.
So would you be able to solve questions now?
Sure ma'am.
Very well. So I have a sheet of questions for you for your homework. You have to solve this sheet as homework and make sure to clear your doubts if you don't understand any of the questions tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Bye. See you in the next class. Till then, happy learning.